पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 241. पूर्वपक्षी's अनुमानम was second line in टीका आत्मलाभोपि ज्ञानाद् भिद्यते लाभत्वात् अनात्मलाभवत्. In this Siddhant he said there is upadhi. ज्ञान हेतु मात्र अनधीनत्वम is the upadhi. What is the lakshana of upadhi?
उपसमीपे स्थित्वा.
What is the lakshana of upadhi?
साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्व.
That which is not vyapaka in sadhana. Sadhana is sadhya vyapakatve sati sadhana vyapakatvam. What is sadhya? Jnanad bhinnatvam. Jnanad vidyate. So jnanad bhinnatvam. Either you say jnanad bhinnatvam or you say jnana bheda. So yatra yatra jnana bheda. Jnana bheda means understand the concept. Whatever is different from knowledge means whatever is attained not only by knowledge. After knowledge you have to do something. So when is that? That is only when jnana hetu matra anadhinatvam. So after jnanam you have to do something, right? So it is jnana hetu matra anadhinam, not adhina. After jnana hetu matra adhinam will be atma or anatma?
अनात्मा.
Jnana hetu matra adhina. Jnana hetu matra adhina will be atma. Only through knowledge you get atma. Anatma is jnana hetu matra anadhina. For anatma you need jnanam, then you need karma. You have to do something. If I say I know what is ghata, I want ghata. Now only knowledge is not enough. You have to get it. Swarga. Swarga jnanam, then swarga karma. You have to do all the karmas to attain swarga. Therefore, jnana hetu matra adhinatvam is not there in
अनात्मा.
Jnana hetu matra adhinatvam is there in atma. So here the vyapti is yatra yatra jnanad bhinnatvam. This is to do the upadhi samanvaya. Yatra yatra jnanad bhinnatvam tatra tatra jnana hetu matra anadhinatvam. Whatever is attained which is different from jnanam means which requires karma, it does not have jnana as the only hetu. It is jnana hetu matra anadhina. Now sadhana avyapaka you have to show. How will you show sadhana avyapaka? What is sadhanam in this anumanam?
लाभत्वम.
Labhatvam. Labhatvam is sadhana. Sadhana avyapaka. Yatra yatra labhatvam. Labha means attaining, gaining. What is the vyapti?
यत्र यत्र लाभत्वं तत्र तत्र ज्ञानहेतुमात्र अनधीनत्वम् अनधीनत्व अभाव
यत्र यत्र लाभत्वं तत्र तत्र ज्ञान हेतु मात्र अनधीनत्व अभाव means ज्ञान हेतु मात्र अधीनत्वम. Where you will find labhatva. Labha means attaining something, prapti. Prapti and jnana hetu matra adhinatva. This you will see in Atma. And yatra yatra jnanad bhinnatvam tatra tatra jnana hetu matra anadhinatvam. This you will see in Anatma. Therefore, Upadi Lakshana is set. In other words, see, I will tell you, this is a Nyaya language to explain. Now, in simple language, if you want to understand, how do we understand? There are two types of things. One is Atma, one is Anatma. For Atma, only Jnanam is needed because I am Atma. For Anatma, Jnanam and some karma is needed. So Purva Pakshi says, Atma also should be attained by Jnanam and some karma. Just like Anatma is attained by Jnanam and karma. So Siddhanti says, no. Anatma requires Jnanam and karma because it is dependent upon not only knowledge. Anatma Prapti is dependent upon two things, Jnanam and karma, like Swarga Prapti. If you get only knowledge, you don't attain Swarga. So Anatma Prapti is dependent upon two things. Any Anatma, Jnanam, karma. Atma Prapti is dependent upon how many things?
Only Jnana.
Only Jnana. Why? Because I am Atma. Either you say I am Atma or you give another Drishtanta, what is already attained, like this Rudraksha Mala, Spatika Mala, is already attained. So what is already attained, Swakantha Varanam, only Jnanam is needed. But if this Mala was outside, let's say at night it is removed. In the morning, if I am looking for it, then it is Jnanam and Karma. So two things are required. I'll give you another example of these glasses. Like this, some people have the habit, and then they, where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? And then the earlier people used to hang them here also, because for reading they need and for other things there was some such thing. So they are already there, but you are looking elsewhere. So only Jnanam is needed there, Karma is not needed. This purpose of this Anumanam and all this Prakriya, or whenever Bhashyakar does elaborate Samuchaya Khandanam, you heard this term, right? Most of you have heard. Jnana Karma Samuchaya Khandana. Jnana Karma Samuchaya Khandanam is for any Anatma. For Atma, Jnana Karma Samuchaya Khandanam is for Atma. For Anatma, Jnana Karma Samuchaya is required. For any Anatma, Jnana Karma Samuchaya is needed. For Atma, you don't need Jnana Karma Samuchaya because only Jnanam is enough. If I say Shiva is different from me and I want to attain Shiva, then what should I do? First get Jnanam, then do Upasana, then attain, means please Lord Shiva, then he will bless you, he will come, etc. If I understand Shiva means me, Shantam, Shivam, Advaitam, I am, then what should I do? Then all you need to do is just know. You don't need to do anything. So if I have understood Shiva as Anatma, then I need Jnanam, then I need Karma. If I have understood Shiva as Atma, then I don't need both. Only Jnanam is enough. Similarly, Vishnu Shabda also. Somebody says, is Vishnu attained through Jnanam or Upasana? Understand the question. Is Vishnu or Shiva attained through Jnana or Upasana? What is the answer?
Jnanam.
Vishnu means Saguna.
You have
Ah,
you
So
are
you have
thinking of Vishnu. It depends on you how what
Is
you
the
are thinking of.
standpoint.
you have to ask the question. What is your understanding of Vishnu?
Yeah.
Do you take Vishnu as Atma or do you take Vishnu as Anatma? Anatma means different from you. If I think Vishnu is somebody who is a Devata, who is up in the Vaikuntha Loka, etc., etc., then Upasana is needed. Upasana means first you take Jnanam, then you do Upasana. If I have understood Vishnu is the name of Atma, Shiva is the name of Atma, what do I need? Only Jnana. These discussions, what are given here, their objective is this. So I have to study the Shastra, I have to translate this in my thinking. So whenever, let's say I am doing namaskar to Bhagwan in temple or in my puja altar or somewhere, or if I am praying, Bhagwan, solve my problems. I am studying Vedanta, I am doing so much upasana, I am doing so much sadhana. My problems are not ending. So first thing I should understand is, what is my understanding of Bhagwan? Is that Bhagwan somewhere Anatma, or is that Bhagwan means this Chaitanya Swarupa, me? Whom am I addressing? If I am addressing that external Bhagwan, then Bhagwan says your prarabdha is like this, you have to do lot of effort, etc., etc., etc. And if I have understood Bhagwan is Atma, and that Atma is me, then whenever the complaint comes, solution is, I am not Karta Bhokta, I am Atma, I am Vishnu. Where is the problem? Why am I giving trouble to some Vishnu who is outside, when I myself am Vishnu? Advaita Siddhi Mangalacharanam is this. In the Advaita Siddhi Mangalacharanam, this Jiva itself is Vishnu.
Swamiji, Vakyavrutti,
हाँ,
Prasadat,
प्रसादाद अहमेव विष्णु, अहमेव विष्णु, वाक्य वृत्ति. So, if I have understood Paramatma is something else, then I will need lot of things. And then that Paramatma is available sometimes. Most of the time is not available. That is the discussion. So, whatever I understand as Atma and Anatma, then everything else is decided. See in Bhashya now. Sacha aprapta utpadyadi kriya vyavahita. Sa means Anatma. This Anatma is aprapta. Because it is aprapta, then utpadya, samskarya, vikarya, some kriya you will have to do. And karakas are required, you need so many things. You need whatever material for utpatti, प्राप्ति etc. कारक विशेष उपादानेन क्रिया विशेषम उत्पाद्य लब्धव्य. Through that some kriya vishesha, then it is utpadya prapya. सीटी का अप्राप्तत्वम व्यक्ति करोति उत्पाद्य. अप्राप्तत्वम is there because it is उत्पाद्य. Praptatvam means you have to do now utpadanam, you have to produce. Why? Because it is not there already. And what is the vyavadhanam? Tad vyavadhanam eva sadhayati karaka. So now you need karakas. You have to assemble things now. किंच अनात्म लाभो अविद्या कल्पितः कादाचित् तत्वात्. अनात्म लाभ is अविद्या कल्पित. Any anatma, attaining anatma is presupposing ignorance. Why? No, why it is having avidya as the presupposition? Tell. Pankti is this. Kincha anatma labho avidya.
कदाचित् कत्वात्.
Kadachit katvat. Kadachit, that is given there. Kadachit katvat. Sammata. What? That is the hetu given. Because it is kadachitka, anatma labha. But in simple terms, anatma labha is avidya kalpita. Does kalpita? True or not? Other than Brahma, Vedanta says there is nothing. If somebody says no, there is Atma and there is Anatma also. That Anatma is avidya karya. Where does Anatma come from? Avidya. So it is avidya kalpita. So if Anatma is avidya kalpita, Anatma labha is also avidya kalpita. Kadachit katvat. There is kadachit katvam. Kadachit katvam means sometimes it is available, sometimes it will not be. No matter what you strive for. You can take any example. Big ashram, let us say. Somebody says, I want big ashram. So before Utpatti it is there? No. After Utpatti, it will stay for some time. Then Vinasha. So this is called Kadachit Tattva. Earlier it is there, later it will not be there. One. Second Kadachit Tattva is, let us say this Ghata is there. I want Ghata, I want to keep something in this. Then every time I am going to carry Ghata wherever I go, no, I will leave it. I don't need it. Anything you take. Carry this everywhere. In Sushupti, what will happen? Or in Swapna? It is left somewhere, I don't even know. Right? This is called Anatma Labhas Kadachikatva. It is there at some times, it is not there at other times. Maximum, it will be there in through all Jagrata Avastha. Still, Swapna Sushupti time, it is not there. Atma is there in Jagrat, Swapna, Sushuptishu, all. So in Atma there is no Kadachit Tattva. Ghata I can leave somewhere and go. Atma, you cannot leave anywhere. So Atma Labha does not have Kadachit Tattva. Anatma Labha has Kadachit. Sammatavat. Sammatavat means both Purvapakshi and Siddhanti, they both agree on this. That Anatma Vastu, earlier it was not there, then you attain, then you will lose also. Atma Vastu, always with you, there is no coming and going. Kincha, asau avidya kalpito, अप्रामाणिकत्वात् संप्रतिपन्नवत्. अनात्म लाभ is avidya kalpita because it is apramanика. There is no pramanam for the existence of anatma itself. Anatma is apramanика. Therefore, it is avidya kalpita. Drishtanta you see in Bhashya. For anatma, sa means anatma. स तु अप्राप्त प्राप्ति लक्षणों अनित्यो मिथ्या ज्ञान जनित काम क्रिया प्रभवत्वात् स्वप्ने पुत्रादि लाभवत्. अनात्मा is अप्राप्त प्राप्ति लक्षण. अप्राप्तस्य प्राप्ति, what is not attained is attained now. अनित्य and it is अनित्य. मिथ्या ज्ञान जनित काम क्रिया प्रभवत्वात्. Anatma Prapti is arising from Mithya Jnana. Means a Bhranti. And there is Kama, Kriya, etc. Any Anatma Prapti. So when people, oh, I work so hard, then I attain something. It is like Swapna Putradi Labhavat. In Swapna, attaining Putra, etc. What is the use of that? Swapna is over, Putra Labha is gone. Tika. Prakriti Vishesham Darshet. Then somebody says the Atma Labha is also like that. He says no. Ayam tu tad viparita Atma. This Atma is different from that. What is the Vaiparityam? Vaiparityam eva sporayati Atmatvaditi. Atmatvadeva now utpadyadi kriya vyavahitaha. Because it is Atma, utpadya, samskarya, vikarya, ityadi kriya na vyavahita. It is not vyavahita by these kriyas. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
आत्मनस्तर्हि नित्य लब्धत्वात् न तत्र अलब्धत्व बुद्धि स्यात्. पूर्व पक्षी says you are saying Atma is always available. So nityopalabdhi swarupo ham Atma you say. Then if it is nitya labdha, alabdhatva buddhi should not be there. Yasankyaha nitya labdha swarupatve api satya vidya matram vyavadhanam. Api sati avidya matram vyavadhanam. Nitya labdha swarupatve api sati avidya matram vyavadhanam. Even though it is nitya upalabdha swarupa, avidya is the vyavadhanam. Between me and this Rudraksha Mala, what is, when I say this is not available, this is not known, what is the vyavadhanam? Avidya is the vyavadhanam. Avidya matram vyavadhanam. Atmani alabho ajnanam labhastu jnanam. Atmani alabha. Atmani is which vibhakti? Saptami. What is the pratipadika?
Atman.
Atman. Atman pratipadika Atmani. Like that. Tamas pratipadika. What will be the Saptami?
Tama.
Tamasi. Atmani alabho ajnanam. The non-attainment of Atma is nothing but ignorance only. Means when I say I don't know I am Brahma, I have to attain Brahma, I have to do Brahma Prapti. Means what? I have to Jnana Prapti. Brahma Prapti means Brahma Jnana Prapti. Because Brahma Aprapti is Ajnanam. So Brahma Prapti is ज्ञानम, आत्मनि अलाभो अज्ञानम, लाभस्तु ज्ञानम. Not knowing that I am Brahma is the problem. Therefore, I should strive to know Brahma. Jnanam iti etat drishtante drishtayati yatha ityadina. यथा स्वरूपेण गृह्यमाणाया अपि शुक्तिकायाः विपर्ययेण रजताभासायाः अग्रहणं विपरीत ज्ञान व्यवधान मात्रम्. स्वरूपेण गृह्यमाणायाः अपि शुक्तिकायाः, शुक्तिका which is स्वरूपेण grahanam is done, but viparyayena rajata abhasayaha, but it is experienced anubhuta as rajata rupa because it is abhasa. Shuktikayaha rajata abhasayaha. This is viparyayena grahana. So agrahanam viparita jnana vyavadhana matram. This agrahanam is viparita jnana vyavadhana matram. टीका. Shuktikaya swarupena grihyamana. What is the meaning of swarupena grihyamana and then seeing as Rajat? See, Tippani is given, 12 number. Idantvena grihyamana. Idantvena means Shuktika, Iyam Shukti, that Idam part, Iyam means Idam part. That is known. Shuktitvena, its Jnanam is not there. Idantvena, Jnanam is there. So, Swarupena Grihyamana. Api iti yojana. Atma labho. So, Idam Amsha is known. Shukti Amsha is not known. Instead of Shukti Amsha, Rajata Amsha is known. Atma labho avidya nivritti heva. What is Atma Prapti? Avidya nivritti. Elimination of ignorance is called attaining Brahman. How will the ignorance be eliminated? By knowledge. Jnanena ajnana nivritti. So just work for jnana. Then you say karma yoga, upasana, so many things I have to do. Then I will study jnanam. Why they say all the other things? If the problem is ajnanam, ajnana nivritti is through jnanam, then why not just start focusing on jnanam only? Why other things are given? Karma yoga, bhakti yoga, upasana, ityadi, ityadi. So the person who has understood, I have only one problem, ignorance. There is no other problem in my life. In fact, I don't have life. Not like how people think. I am not someone who started and is going to end with this body. I am Brahma. Whenever I am suffering, there is only one reason. I have forgotten I am Brahma. Whenever I have complained about somebody, there is only one problem. I have forgotten I am Brahma. Whenever I have anything, anger, jealousy, this, that, whatever, I have forgotten only one thing. I am Brahma. The moment that thing I remember, there is no problem. Person who is so clear, for that person, no karma yoga is needed, no upasana is needed, no other activity is needed. That person only should focus on jnana. person who doesn't have this clarity. Clarity means not that it is there on paper, it is written in my notes. Not that. Whenever situation comes, this person knows what is the problem. Problem is for that much time, Brahma. That's why I am suffering. The moment I understand that, I have a solution. So for that person, nothing else is needed. Person who is not clear about it, they have to go on doing everything until they come to this wisdom. So that's why you see, Atma Labho Avidya Nivritti Reva iti atra uktam vakshamanam cha gamakam darshayati. Tasmat. So in Bhashya it is given, Agrahanam Viparita Jnana Vyavadhana Matram Tatha Grahanam Jnana Matram. Agrahanam means not knowing Shuktika is nothing but Viparita Jnanam. I have understood that there is Rajata, etc. This I have misunderstood. What is right understanding? Grahanam Jnana Matram. And by that, Viparita Jnana Vyavadhana Apoharthatvat Jnanasya. Viparita Jnanam will be eliminated by that Jnanam. Evam Iha api Atmano Alabho Avidya Matra Vyavadhanam. Here also, non-attainment of Atma is only ignorance, which is the obstruction. Avirodham Upasamharati. So Tasmat, first Tasmat is Vidyaya tad apohana matram eva labho na anya kadachid upapadyate. Vyavadhanam you just remove by jnanam. Jnanam comes, ajnanam goes, ajnan nivritya atma labha. Nothing else is required, nothing else is to be done. Tasmat atma labhe jnanat arthantar sadhanasya anartha. Case of atma labha jnanat arthantar sadhanasya. Other than jnanam, any other sadhana is useless. Bhashyakar says anarthakyam. For whom I already told you, person who is already clear that what is my problem is only one. This person is not my Shatru, that person is not my Shatru, nobody in the world is a problem. My ignorance is my problem. For that person, only knowledge. Person who says this is not there, that is not there, does that, you do other things. Jnanad arthantara sadhanasya anarthakyam vakshamaha. Tasman nirashankam eva jnana labhayoho yakarthatvam vivakshana. Therefore, without any doubt, without any shanka, nirashankam eva jnanam is labha. In case of Atma, knowledge is attainment. Means this is so clearly given in like so many times it is repeated by Bhashyakar Tikakar. Jnanam is labha. Just get jnanam, you are free. You have attained Brahma. Means infinitude. Jnanam prakritya anuvinded iti. Tika. Tayoho ekarthatve api katham anuvindet iti madhye prayujyate tatra. Okay, let's say jnanam and attainment, labha, they are one. Then why do you say anuvindet in the middle? Jnanam prakritya anuvindet, why you said? Because vindater labharthatvat in Bhashya. Vindatehe labharthatvat. Vindater labharthatvat means this vid dhatu is for labha artha. In anuvindet, dhatu is vid. This vid dhatu is rudhadigana dhatu. So therefore, its meaning is to attain. Knowing is attaining in case of Atma. Knowing and doing is attaining in case of anatma. Just remember this principle. Further, आदि मध्यावसानानाम अविरोधम उक्त्वा कीर्तिम इत्यादि वाक्यम अवतार्य व्याकरोति. आदि मध्यावसानानाम, beginning, middle, end of this whole 147 we are concluding. Avirodham, there is no objection, or everything is explained. Therefore, Kirtim, this Vakya he is explaining in Bhashya. Guna Vijnana Phalam idam uchyate. So, what is the result of this Atma? This is the Guna, means Gauna Phalam. Mukhya Phalam is Moksha. What is the secondary result? Jnanam itself will give you secondary result also. What is that? One is, in this world everybody will do praise, etc. See, yatha ayam atma nama rupa anupraveshena khyatim gata atma ityadi nama rupabhyam pranadi sambhatim cha shlokam praptavan. This atma, when it entered in this body, then it got nama, rupa, and now it became known. Khyati means name, fame. Like that, anybody who knows this Brahma, he will also get name and fame. So if there is somebody who wants name and fame, what should they do? Know Brahma, you will get it. Actually, once you know Brahma, you don't need name and fame. Ahankara is gone. One. Second, this Atma now has association with Sharira, Prana, Indriya, Mana, etc. Not real Mithya association. Like that, this Jnani also will have association with good people. That is given. Pranadi Sambhatim cha Shlokam Praptavan. Shlokam means this association with wise people. इति एवं यो वेद स कीर्तिम ख्यातिम श्लोकम च संघातम इष्टैहि सह विन्दते लभते. Those who are giver of sukham, such people will be around, or they will be satsangi. Main thing is, jnani will be surrounded by satsangi. Now, level of satsang can be different. Some people, they are happy with basic satsang, and some people want Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya kind of satsang. Some people, they will come, yes, I have this problem, that problem, etc. Tika. Iti Shabdad Uparishtad Yatha Ityasya Sambandha. Iti Shabdad. Praptavan Iti. In the Bhashya, third line from the bottom, Shlokam cha praptavan iti eva. That after iti, then you have to say yatha in this way. Just as those who knew this, they attained all this, tatha, in the same way. Bhashya, yadva. और यथोक्तम वस्तु यो वेद मुमुक्षूणाम अपेक्षितम कीर्ति शब्दितम ऐक्य ज्ञानम तत्फलम श्लोक शब्दिताम मुक्तिम आपनोति इति मुख्यमेव फलम. व्हाट इज द मुख्य फलम? मुक्तिम आपनोति. अटेनिंग लिबरेशन इज मुख्य फलम. यथोक्तम वस्तु यो वेद, द वन हु नो दिस आत्मा, आत्मेत्योपासित, दैट आत्मा व्हिच क्रिएटेड एवरीथिंग एंड एंटर्ड, which is mumukshunam apekshitam. For a mumukshu, somebody says, I am mumukshu. I don't want atma. I want this, that. You are mumukshu, this is apekshitam. Then, kirti shabditam aikya jnanam. You will get this brahma jnanam, which is your kirti. And what is the shloka? Mukti. This is mukhya phalam. So, mukhya phalam, kirti means aikya jnanam. Shloka means mukti. Kirti, shloka. Two things are gained. Mukhya phalam kirti means Brahmatma Aikya Jnana. Shloka means Mukti. And Gauna phalam kirti means name and fame. And Shloka means association with people who give Sukham, etc. So two meanings of kirti, two meanings of what?
Sloka.
Shloka.
So in this way, this Bhashya is complete. See one line in Tika. Jnana stutischa atra vivakshita. Jnaninam idrik phalasya anabhilashitatvat iti drashtam. So you see, Jnani will strive for Khyati and Shloka and all that. He said, no, this is the stuti of Jnana. Whenever they say Jnani will get all this is Jnana stuti. For a Jnani, he doesn't expect such results. Jnaninam idrak phalasya anabhilashitatvat. They don't have abhilasha for any of these things. Iti drashtavya. This you should understand. Means Jnani doesn't want kirti or shlokam. Jnani wants this. But they say these things so that somebody is now eager to study. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakadam Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.